Good morning, everyone. Hope you're well. Today is Wednesday, and that means we have to pack everything and leave our apartment and head home. We have a couple of hours left, so we will stay at the beach we went yesterday, where you can park right near the beach, and it's totally for free, so that's amazing. And then we head home. So enjoy our last day with us, or last hours, and see you soon. I show you now our Airbnb apartment where we stayed on our vacation trip here in LA, and give you a little review how the apartment was. So this is the entrance behind me. This is how it looks when you enter the apartment. To the right you do have the bathroom with a beautiful large mirror and a small sink, and then you have a bathtub that's functioning as a shower, some art decor on the wall, and we are in the living room area, and you have a table and chairs where you can eat something. The kitchen has something where you can do your laundry as well, and is equipped with an oven, microwave, and something to do your coffee and prepare your breakfast in the morning. And then you have the large fridge, which is a little bit of an older model, to your right. The apartment is also equipped with AC, which is awesome. And then you enter the bedroom. Hi. You have a closet. We didn't use that. We left everything in the suitcase. And this is the bedroom. It's quite small, but totally fine for a short stay. I slept here quite nice. Besides 3 nights, because our neighbors were quite loud. I'm not sure what they did, if they moved in or out or had a party. Put something in your ears and that's fine. Otherwise, the room is small, but that's okay. You only sleep here, you don't live here, and for 1 week it's okay. The apartment was really inexpensive for that area, because LA is expensive. Especially the place is good if you like to go on the beaches in Malibu. And because from here you need about 40 minutes to get to the beach. If you go inside downtown LA more than 1 or 2 days, then I would recommend something somewhere else. This apartment, it's not a summed up, it's not a summed down. It's okay. It's not expensive. This is a plus point. It's enough for 2 persons, but the kitchen isn't good equipped. But otherwise, it's fine for a short stay, like a week, like we did. So yeah, that's it. Let's go outside and enjoy our last day. So that's our stop for today. We are at Westward Beach near Zuma. You can park here right next to the beach, which is really nice for just a couple of hours here. So our last minutes on the beach, and we're in the ocean just for a minute because the waves are really high. And now we are on our way to Santa Barbara and then back home. See you later. Today is a Thursday because our road trip yesterday was quite exhausting, so I didn't film any ending. Therefore now just a little summary of our road trip. After half a day at the beach at Westward, we wanted to visit Santa Barbara, but we couldn't find any parking space besides paid parking, and I didn't want to spend any money for just a short stay, and we were already late, so we decided to go on with our road trip, and that was a good decision because we arrived here at about 8 p.m., which was great, so we could unpack everything, just grab a little bit of food in the supermarket and then go to bed. One interesting fact, the whole trip took us about 1,100 miles, which is almost, I think, 2,000 kilometers, which is a hell of a lot, and I was really surprised by that. So I can recommend LA and especially the beaches. I really loved it there, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and see you soon. Bye!